When it comes to top PEB designers in Marathahalli, Bangalore, SCON Design India Private Ltd stands out as a leading player in the industry. With a strong track record of delivering high-quality pre-engineered building designs, SCON Design has established itself as a trusted name in the field. Their expertise and commitment to excellence have earned them a reputation for being one of the best PEB designers in the area. SCON Design India Private Ltd has a team of highly skilled and experienced professionals who are dedicated to providing innovative and efficient PEB designs. They understand the unique requirements of each project and work closely with clients to develop customized solutions that meet their specific needs. With their vast knowledge in the field, they are able to create designs that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also structurally sound and cost-effective. One of the key strengths of SCON Design is their ability to combine creativity with practicality. They take into consideration factors such as site conditions, building codes, and client preferences to come up with designs that are both functional and visually appealing. SCON Design India Private Ltd has a proven track record of successfully completing a wide range of PEB projects in Marathahalli, Bangalore. Their portfolio includes projects across various sectors such as industrial, commercial, and residential. Whether it is a small-scale project or a large-scale industrial facility, they have the expertise to deliver high-quality designs within the specified timelines. In conclusion, SCON Design India Private Ltd is undoubtedly one of the top PEB designers in Marathahalli, Bangalore. Their expertise, commitment to excellence, and focus on sustainability make them a preferred choice for clients looking for innovative and efficient PEB designs. With their track record of successful projects and dedication to customer satisfaction, SCON Design continues to set the benchmark for PEB design in the area. SCON Design India Private Ltd is one of the top PEB designers in Marathahalli, Bangalore. With their expertise and experience in the field of pre-engineered building design, they have earned a reputation for delivering high-quality and innovative solutions. SCON Design prides itself on its commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction. As top PEB designers, SCON Design offers a wide range of services to meet the diverse needs of their clients. They specialize in designing and engineering pre-engineered buildings for various industries, including industrial, commercial, residential, and institutional sectors. Their team of skilled professionals uses the latest software and technology to create efficient and sustainable designs that meet the highest standards of quality and safety. What sets SCON Design apart from other PEB designers is their attention to detail and personalized approach. They understand that each project is unique and requires a customized solution. Therefore,